Welcome to KNC Studio. My name is Chen Yu. I will walk you through the step-by-step tutorial on how to sculpt Gengar from start to finish. This will be the very first Nomad Sculpt tutorial in this channel and will be beginner friendly. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is making sure we get the reference into the background. The picture icon here, once you click it, you're likely going to see the reference image unchecked. So you just click on that. And it's going to give you some options here. If you click on the image icon, there's a import button here you can click on. So you can import either the reference image from photos or files, etc. Because we already have it here imported, so we just cancel it here. One thing really helpful besides this parameter, way more straightforward, is this transform button. So once you click on that, you can use your fingers, the finger gesture, to move things around, rotate it, etc. And you just need to tap the screen. It will set to the original layout. Okay, for now, we will need the reference at the center to help us block out the overall character shape, form, proportion, etc. So we're going to do the reset right over here. Okay, under the scene hierarchy here, you can see the sphere is the only model in our scene. Let's hide it first. Let's analyze the Gengar really quick. He has a lot of spiky cone shape extension, if we call it that way, growing out of his body, and his overall shape and form is for the torso or head all combined. It's actually just a big oval shape. For arm, basically just like extended tube with some spiky cone shape again. Fingers or claws. Similar applies to the leg and the feet. So it's quite simple. And if you look at the side view here, there's a tail and also more spiky shape on his back. I think there are 3 rows. 1 row in the middle along the spine and 2 on each side, left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 spikes in the middle and 5 on both sides.